looks to performance. Why it matters? Counters marketing bias. Grip design reduces fatigue over time. Ties ergonomics to endurance. Poor wiring causes early failure. Clear warning, no exaggeration. Why it matters? Explains hidden reliability differences.
Early assembly sets the foundation, reinforces build sequence importance. This is where quality paths begin to split. Bearings control vibration more than power, corrects a common misunderstanding, shifts attention from wattage to mechanics. Oscillation replaces rotation for control. Tiny movements create cutting force.
Most precision comes from machines.
Electronics shape tool versatility. It explains